Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back to this new video. In this video, we will revise the chapter 3, How many squares? For class 5. In this video, we will revise the area and perimeter of squares and rectangle. First, we will see the area of square.
Here is a square. We want to find the area of this square. Before finding the area of square, we should know that what is area. The amount of space occupied by the shape is known as area. What is area? How much amount of space is occupied in this shape is known as area. Understand? This area is measured in square centimeter or square meter. This simply we can write as SQ.cm or SQ.m. This we can read as square centimeter or square meter. Did you get me? Now we will calculate the area of square. There are two methods to find the area of square. First method is simple method. Just count the small squares inside the shape. Understand? How many squares are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 squares are there. How many squares are there? 16 squares. Here, one square occupy 1 square centimeter. One small square occupy the area 1 square centimeter. Here 16 squares are there. So this figure has the area 16 square centimeter. Did you get me? Did you understand the first method? Now we will see the second method. Before seeing the second method, we should recall the sides of square. Already we studied the square has 4 sides. This is one side, this is another one side, this is another one side, this is another one side. Total how many sides are there? 4 sides are there. We can give this side name A as this one side. So next side also A. Why? This side is same as this side. Understand? So this name we are in this side we are given the name A. So that side also getting name A. These 4 sides also have the same name A. Understand? Now we will use the formula. Area of square formula is side into side. Area square formula is side into side. That is A into A. Did you get it? Here the A is length of this side. Length of this side is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 centimeter. This side also 4 centimeter. One side 4 centimeter means next 3 sides also 4 centimeter. So A is 4 centimeter. This one side is 4 centimeter into 4 centimeter. How much centimeter? 16 square centimeter. Did you get me? 16 square centimeter. Already we find out simple method also we got the answer how much? 16 square centimeter. Both are equal. Understand? This second method is we are applying formula. What is the formula? Area of square formula? Side into side, otherwise A into A. We will calculate the area of rectangle. This area of rectangle calculation also two method. Have two method. First method is simple method. Just counting the squares inside the rectangle. How many squares are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. How many squares are there? 24. Area measured in which unit? Square centimeter. So we can write SQ centimeter. And now we will see the second method for calculating area of rectangle. It is based on the formula. Before studying that, we need to know the sides of this rectangle. These sides of the rectangle, opposite sides of the rectangles are equal. Top and bottom side is equal. Left and right side is equal. Top and bottom side we are saying length. 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 This length is denoted by L. Length is denoted by L. Then left and right is saying breadth. B-A-D-T-H, breadth. That is denoted by B. Here left side also breadth. That will be denoted by B. Then next, in the square what we studied, the two sides we multiplied. Like that here also we are multiplying two sides. Multiplying two sides means this is length and breadth. So area of rectangle equal to length into breadth. So here what is the length? How much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 centimeter. Because of 1 square is 1 square centimeter. Here 6 there. So it is 6 centimeter. Length is 6 centimeter into breadth is how much centimeter? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 centimeter. 4 centimeter. So 6 into 4 how much? 24. 24 area is always measured in square centimeter. Is it correct? Already also first method also we got the value 24 square centimeter. Here also 24 square centimeter. So both methods are correct. Now we will calculate the area of this shape. This also have two methods. Simple method is just to count the squares on it. How many squares? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. How many squares are there? 16 squares. One square has 1 square centimeter. So 16 squares have 16 square centimeter. Did you understand? Then second method is we can make this shape is into two different shapes. See here, draw one line here. You can get to the one square and one rectangle. Is it correct? This is one square, this is one rectangle. Now you want to find out the area of the square and now find out the area of rectangle. Then add both together, then you can get this area. Did you get it? Then area of square. What is area square formula? Already we studied. Area square. Area of square equal to A side into side. Side into side. Here side, how much side? Length 1, 2. One side is length is 2 square 2 centimeter. This side also 2 centimeter. Here also 2 centimeter. Here also 2 centimeter. So what is the formula? Side into side. One side is 2 centimeter. Then next side also 2 centimeter. So 2 into 2 4 centimeter. Did you get it? Then next area of rectangle. This rectangle area we want to find out. Area formula what already we studied. Area rectangle formula. Rectangle formula length into breadth. Okay. Then next what is length here? You have to count. This is the length 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 centimeter. What is breadth? 2. 1, 2. Then 6 centimeter into 2 centimeter. 6 into 2 how much? 12 square centimeter. Here also area square centimeter. So you have to mention 4 square centimeter. Here 12 square centimeter. Did you get it? Now you want to add both square and rectangle area. Square area is 4 centimeter. Rectangle area is 12 square centimeter. Square you have to write. Square centimeter. Then 12 plus 4, 16 square centimeter. So total area of this shape is 16 square. Already also we got 16 square. Both is equal. Now we want to find the perimeter of this square. First, perimeter. What is perimeter? Length of its boundary is known as perimeter. First we studied area. The space occupied by this shape is area. Here what? That boundary only. That boundary line only we are saying perimeter. Understand? Then this also have two methods. Same method. You can count these lines. Then you can find out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So, this perimeter is 16 centimeter. Understand? Then, next we can use the formula. Already we studied this side. The four sides are equal. This is one side. This is another one side. This is another one side. This is also another one side. These sides are represented by A. Okay. Denoted by A. This side is A. So, length how we are find out? We are adding these four sides. Four sides means A plus this side A, next side A plus next side A plus next side A. How many A's are there? 4A. So 4 into A. Understand? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4A we can write. What is the perimeter of square area? Perimeter of square area square is equal to 4A. What is the formula of perimeter of square? 4A. Did you understand? Shall we do this one? Here one side how much centimeter? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 centimeter. So how we can write this 4 into this one side 4 centimeter. 4 into 4 what? 16 square 16 centimeter. This was already also we find out 16 centimeter. Here also we got 16 centimeter. Did you get what is the perimeter of square formula? 4A. That means 4 into side. Now we will find the perimeter of rectangle. These rectangle sides are length. This is length. Then next this side also length. Then here breadth. This here also breadth. Okay. Then length is represented by L. Breadth is represented by B. Okay. Here how we can find out the perimeter? Already we studied. Then length of this boundary. Length of this boundary means, see here, length. How many length? This length plus next one is breadth. Breadth plus next length plus breadth. Is it correct? Here how many lengths are there? 2. 1, 2. So we can write 2 length. Is it correct? How many breadth are there? 2 breadth. Is it correct? Then here both the side 2 is common thing. So you can take out these 2 outside. Let's put the bracket. Make it as inside. Then length plus breadth. Did you get it? This is the formula of perimeter of rectangle. What is the formula? Perimeter of rectangle. What is the formula? Perimeter of rectangle formula is 2 into length plus breadth. 2 into length plus breadth. Then otherwise we can write 2 into L plus B. L is the length, B is the breadth. Did you get? Now we will see the perimeter using this formula. Okay, length count 1 2 3 4 5 6 centimeter, but 1 2 3 4 centimeter. Now you use the formula, perimeter of rectangle formula. Perimeter of rectangle equal to 2 into length plus breadth. Then here 2 into length how much? Here 6 centimeter. Then next plus breadth how much centimeter? 4 centimeter. Now 2 into 6 plus 4 10 centimeter. Next 2 into 10 20 centimeter. So the perimeter of rectangle is 20 centimeter. Did you understand? Now we will solve the some problem based on the area and perimeter of square and rectangle. First question is, find the area of square whose side is 5 centimeter. That one square, that square side is how much centimeter? 5 centimeter. We know the formula, area of square formula. Area of square formula, what it is? Area of square equal to side into side. Is it correct? Side into side. One side is how much centimeter? 5 centimeter. Next side also 5 centimeter. So 5 into 5 25. What is the area of measurement unit? Square centimeter. Did you get it? This is the answer for this. Next question is, find the area of rectangle whose length is 6 centimeter and breadth is 4 centimeter. Then here we will draw one rough picture here. Length how much centimeter? 6 centimeter and breadth is how much centimeter? 4 centimeter. We want to find the area of this one. So already we studied the area formula, rectangle area formula. Area of rectangle equal to what? Length into breadth. Is it correct? What is length here? 6 centimeter. What is breadth here? 4 centimeter. So 6 into 4 how much? 24. Then area is always measured in square centimeter. So we can write square centimeter. Did you get? Next question is, find the perimeter of square whose side is 3 centimeter. Okay, one square is there, that side is 3 centimeter. We want to find out the perimeter. Perimeter formula we know. Perimeter of square equal to, perimeter of square formula is 4 into side. Is it correct? So 4 into side is 3 centimeter. So 4 into 3 12 centimeter. Next question is, find the perimeter of rectangle whose length is 8 centimeter and breadth is 3 centimeter. What is given here? Length L equal to 8 centimeter and breadth B equal to 3 centimeter. Perimeter of rectangle is equal to, what is the formula of perimeter of rectangle? 2 into length plus breadth. So 2 into length is 8 centimeter plus breadth is 3 centimeter. So which is equal to 2 into 8 plus 3, 11 centimeter. Then next 2 into 11 centimeter, which is equal to 22 centimeter. 2 inside the bracket 11 means that meaning is multiplication. So 2 into 11. 2 into 11 is 22 centimeter.